Morning, thanks for joining us again. And we're just setting out for a walk, starting from the Camping and Caravan Club sites at Youlegreave. We're taking in a couple of the probably less well-known dales. Don't seem to feature on routes on the internet or videos. So we're taking in, it's Longdale and Gratton Dale. It's about 10 or 11 kilometres, so not a long walk. I've not been on it before, so why not stick with us and see what we find along the way. So we start off heading down through the fields until we reach the River Bradford, and then cut left, and we're doing this in an anti-clockwise direction. And as usual, I'll put the route up. I'll put a link up to the route on OS Maps. Just been following a lovely little stream up, and then we kind of cut right through this really nice wooded dale. Doesn't seem to have a name on the map, I don't think, and it's got a dry riverbed in the bottom. So yeah, really lovely. So at the top of that little dale, you just take a left, and there's a short stretch along a minor country road, and then as the road bears left, we just carry on this uneven bridleway. Beautiful limestone, dry stone walls. And yeah, we're just down in a dip with meadows on either side. One or two sheep about. A lovely day for it though. And a wheat ear just behind the lambs. There's a good long straight section along that bridleway, and it opens out into fields where we saw those lambs, and there were loads of wheat ears about. And then you come out of a gate and immediately drop down to your left, and you can see into Longdale. Card with "We meet to create memories and depart to cherish them." Let's see what cherished memories Longdale's got for us. So at the end of Longdale, the path just bears left straight into Gratton Dale. Can't miss it. And we carry on down that way. Just turned into Gratton Dale now. Looks a bit more steep sided and tree lined, any sort of low scrubby thorn trees and whatever, hawthorns. Very pretty though. as you get down further into Gratton Dale, there's a lot more sort of limestone outcrops and screes. So it's actually quite impressive. It's probably not quite as impressive as Lathkill Dale and some of the others that are more popular beauty spots, but yeah, it's got a lot to recommend it, and certainly a lot less people about. It's a really nice walk. As you get about 2/3 of the way down Gratton Dale, it's been dry all the way along, which is often the case with these limestone dales. But about 2/3 of the way down, you can see the stream bed. There's a little bit of water in, but not very much. The signs are on the footpath that it can get very muddy down here. Obviously it's been pretty dry lately, so there's no mud, but it looks like it gets pretty claggy at times. Turn left out of the bottom of Gratton Dale at a little hamlet with some gorgeous farmhouses and cottages, and just left down the road for about 100 yards, and then you'll see the footpath leave to the right, and you just start gently climbing up behind what look like some quite impressive sandstone outcrops. See how close the path takes us to those. So emerging at a little road just at the top, we turn left just for about 50 metres, and then pick up a footpath to the left that just goes round behind those crags. Kind of skirted right round the opposite side of that hill, and then you can see Gratton Dale that we emerged from just opposite there. Right, weather's closed in a little bit, and just as we emerge just above the campsite again now, we'll say ta-ra. Round about, I don't know, 7.5, 8 miles, something like that, and yeah, really nice walk on sort of gentle rolling countryside. I'll as usual put the route in on OS Maps and link to it below so you can take a look. But with that, thanks very much for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the walk, and we'll see you again very soon. Cheers now, bye.